Okay then guys, here we go with what started off to be a chicken chow mein, but it ended up as a fridge chow mein. Now when I say chow mein, it's a crossover between a chow mein and a lo mein. Do you know what the difference is? Chow mein noodles tend to be more firm, a little bit crispy. Lo mein, soggy, a bit like ramen. And this is in between. So here we go with the ingredients. This will easily serve 4 people and I will just tell you what I've used, but the video description will be of a more formal chicken chow mein. Okay then, so I've got loads of leftover vegetables. We got Chinese mushrooms, pak choy green leaves, half an onion finely sliced, julienned carrots, sliced yellow pepper, chicken breast cut into strips, water chestnuts sliced up, jalapeno pepper, half a jalapeno there, sliced up, some chicken stock, spring onions, cooked noodles, 4 minutes in boiling water, some bean sprouts. I'm using light soy sauce, oyster sauce and sesame oil with a bit of groundnut oil for cooking. Phew, and in the front there we got a little bit of cornflour to make a slurry up. Here we go then. Alright, first up then, get your wok hot, in with a bit of groundnut oil, little drizzle of sesame oil just to give the chicken a bit of flavour. And because my wok was dry, I wiped it around with a bit of kitchen tissue. Didn't take long for it to start smoking. And then in with the chicken, stir fry till they are cooked. Now you can cook the chicken as much as you want, you can make them fully brown. I like them just cooked so they're nice and tender, still soft, juicy, moist inside. I don't really like dry chicken in a Chinese dish. In fact, I don't like dry chicken in any dish. Don't take long to get going. And while they're cooking, time to make your slurry up. I got some leftover chicken stock there. It's about 200ml. In with the sauces. That's the light soy sauce. Keep that chicken turning. Don't want to let it catch on the bottom. Bit of brown sugar. I think that's demerara actually I use for this one. Doesn't matter. Like I say, oyster sauce. Glug, glug, glug. Come on, get out. And a drop of sesame. About half a teaspoon. Maybe a bit more. Keep that chicken turning. Gradually cooking, look. Pinkness is going. I got the heat turned down on the wok so it cooks really fast. Add the cornflour to the stock. Mix your slurry up and set it to one side. And once the chicken is cooked to how you like it, take it out of the wok and set that to one side as well. Freshen up the wok with a drop of oil. Time to get the veggies cooking. The key to this one is to chop everything the same size, nice thin strips if you can. So like I said, I've got pak choy greens, Chinese mushrooms, julienne carrots, yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced onion, water chestnuts, some slices of jalapeno, and just stir fry it until it's cooked. Just getting the spring onions ready here, thinly sliced. They're going to go on top of the chow mein as a top dressing. A bit of white and a bit of green. Keep stirring the vegetables, get them cooked through, and when they're just about ready, back in with the chicken. Get that warmed up again. I say warmed up, it's only been out a few minutes. Get it all mixed up. And then in with the noodles. These were Sharwood's medium egg noodles. and they recommend 1 nest per person, so there's a couple of nests in there. And a good tip when you boil the noodles, pour a bit of oil over them and it stops them sticking together. Like this. No big one solid mass. And give it all a stirring up, mix it up. And then in with the slurry. I did mine in 2 lots, a little bit to get it cooking, get them steaming a little bit. Look at that. And I'll put the rest in a bit later. Get all those sauces mixed up with the noodles, etc. Just about done now. Put the delicate things in at the end. In this case it's the bean sprouts. A couple of handfuls, that'll do. 1 more mixing. Get those warmed through and we're just about ready to dish up. On with the spring onion garnish. And a little drizzle of sesame oil for finishing. Okay then, here we go. Rude not to, eh? Lovely. Lush. Can't go wrong with that, guys. A quick way to use up any leftovers in the fridge and cupboard. Wow. A nice quick and simple one for you there, guys. I think it took longer to chop the vegetables up again. I think a lot of Chinese cooking's like that. Right, a quick one for you. If anyone has got a request for a Chinese dish, or any dish in fact, leave a comment below, or better still, drop me a line at steve@digwellgreenfingers.co.uk and I will do my best to have a go at making it, and if it's successful, probably will be, then I'll make a video in the future. You know I like my cooking and I like trying new things. Well, here we go, guys. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next video.